So far we connected this part to the backend, so we will see new updated to-dos, but we still need to insert new to-dos and connect that to backend. For that, we will need to execute a mutation. Let's go to our GraphQL and let's write this mutation. So let's call it add to-dos, and we need to pass some kind of data. So we will to pass the data, we will use variables. We want to pass to-do as a string, and we also want to pass is public as boolean. Now the question is, why do we need this flag? Is because if you look at this public feed, this is pretty much the same component. So this component will send is public as false, and this one is sent as public as true. So whenever is public is false, and new to do will be added as a personal one, and if is public is true, new to do will be added to the public feed. We will use insert to do's mutations for that, and we need to pass an object. The object will have a title, which will be a to-do that will pass as a variable, and is public, which will be is public flag, pass as a variable from outside. Also need to return something. Let's return affected rows, and let's return the actual to-do that is added. I need to return ID, title, created add, and is completed. So if I run this to-do, I will have an error because I need to specify variables. So let's specify them. Let's specify our to-do as testing new to-do, and let's specify is public flag as false. We're working with JSON here, so we need to add a comma. Let's run that, and we have a new to-do added. Now if we'll get back to our app and reload that, we will see the new to-do is added to our UI.